Here are some mind-blowing moments caught on camera. This LED cube display in China creates an amazing 3D effect. Legendary skater Tony Hawk at 52 has still got it. He poured milk in a glass and did a 360 without spilling a drop of milk from his hand. It is surprising to see that the gong can also be played in many different ways. These guys barely escaped when a speeding boat rammed into theirs. This humongous cow stands over 6 feet tall and every other cow looked puny in front of it. This guy was trying to do a trick shot with the car so hard, eventually hard work pays off. This guy found a cat in a sealed bag that someone threw away. This bizarre Russian dance performed by the Berezovka dance troupe involves taking such short and fast steps that it looks like the dancers are floating. Did you know there is a plane in Saint Martin that passes really low and just above the beach? These guys decided to take a dip and jumped off from their backyard. An undersea gas pipeline ruptured in the Gulf of Mexico, sending flames boiling to the surface. I wonder what is the use of boats spraying water onto the water that is on fire. When a carnival ride was getting off its hinges, people came in and stood on the railing to stop it from tipping over. This is a rare meteorological phenomenon known as the crown flash, and it was captured on camera. This is how a spider webs up a half-dead bug thrown inside its web. Extraordinary ice hockey skills were shown by this man as he put 6 pucks in the net in an extremely skilled fashion. A mysterious man saved another man's life by patting him on the shoulder. An alert driver escapes an attempted carjacking, and it was all caught on cam. What are the odds of cutting a top part of a tree and it lands straight on the ground? This man lured these camels away from the highway in a non-conventional way. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like my style of commentary on videos. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.